At ISS, we aim at delivering great service experiences across all our sites around the world, consistently. It is important that customers feel the same power of the human touch, whether they are in Singapore or New York City, and everywhere else. To help us deliver consistently great services, we provide a number of standardized procedures and tools that can be tailored to customer needs. Let's take a look at one of them: our Operation Process Framework. So, what is the Operation Process Framework? Well, it is a framework which provides step-by-step guides and tools for key account managers, site and service managers, and our frontline colleagues. A framework which will enable us to provide services to our customers effectively and efficiently. It captures descriptions of all ISS standard operating procedures in step-by-step guides and hosts it on the common global system. It also provides tools and templates for managing an account effectively the ISS way. So, one hub to find it all. What's more, the Operation Process Framework is tailor-made to the country and the specific account, providing guidance to our service professionals from the best and proven practices across the globe. So, while it is a standard process, it is still tuned to our customer needs. The Operation Process Framework provides key account managers with planning and supporting processes and tools to manage and develop an account. It also provides a clear overview of service delivered on the contract. That means transparency and aiming for a high degree of compliance for customers in terms of the service level agreements versus the actual service provided. Site and service managers have a clear overview on how to deliver consistent and compliant service to the customer. Our service professionals have access to videos and instructions on how to perform their job effectively, safely and efficiently. And new employees can quickly learn the ISS best practice standard of serving customers. The guides and processes do not remain static. They can be updated at site level, and automated reminders will tell local process owners when to update the processes. Sounds good, doesn't it? But it is not just about procedures. It also provides administrative support by providing guidance on account development plans for key account managers, hiring processes for the accounts, health and safety requirements on the sites, financial reporting processes, and much more. This is the ISS Best Practice Service Standard, and we are ready to provide customers throughout the globe with world-class service. With the Operation Process Framework and the power of the human touch, let's take this giant step in making us the world's greatest service organization.